Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these white chocolate covered cherries. Now this is perfect to bring on a New Year's Eve party or any party for that matter. Really simple to do, so keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. So here's a very quick recipe you can make if you're heading out to a New Year's Eve party. This is so simple, so easy, only needs 3 things, really only 2, and you can put it together in no time at all. So here's what you're going to need to make this. You're going to need some cherries. I do recommend getting cherries that don't have the seed inside of it. It just makes things a lot easier. Also, you're going to need some white chocolate, or these are white candy wafers. Get a good quality white chocolate. It's very important for this because you want the taste to be awesome. And to decorate these, I just have, these are silver sugar little pieces. They're kind of little squares, but they're real tiny, just for decorative purposes. So the first thing we need to do is melt down our white chocolate. So I'm just going to put it in a microwavable bowl. You can do this over a double boiler if you'd like, but microwave just quicker. So after a couple minutes in the microwave, you can see we melted down our chocolate, our white chocolate. And what we're going to do now is we're going to bring in our cherries. Now, very important, wash them off, clean them off, but make sure you dry them really good. You don't want any water left on these cherries. They may look like they do, but they don't. I made sure of that. We want to dip these in, but we don't want to dip them all the way in. We want to leave a little bit of that cherry showing so that, you know, it kind of gives that contrast. So you want to dip it about 1/2 to 3/4 of the way in to the white chocolate. So we're going to dip that in, just like so. Let it drain. And what I did was I put those silver sugar things on a paper plate so I can grab some. And I'll show you what we're going to do with those. So this is what I'm going to put these on and let them dry, but I'm just going to take a little bit of these silver things and sprinkle around the cherry, but right on the chocolate part, the white chocolate part. And then just place it down on some wax paper. Now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to bite into this and see how it tastes. Good. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these chocolate covered cherries. Now, these are a lot of fun making these, and they're so good. They're delicious. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit that like button. Also, check out this video right here, and I'll see you guys next time. Here's a very quick, that'll be great. No, just good quality. I'll start that right. So here's what you need. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this chocolate,